Hello to everyone, welcome back learning basic reading Tibetan language. Today we're going to learn the part 2, praises to 21 Thara. Trolma Ngir Chik La De Pa. Sa Gata Gareta Tanaro Tola Tol Ma Nyadingbo Nyera Nyer Kau cha chigu chi ka chik la pau sa ta 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 naru to ta te pa trolma nyer chik la te pa la hap ta la da nga dang la dang la hap ta la ma chigu mi na min la min cha naru cho ta che pa na pen che pen ga e da ya ji gu ji sa ji la dang la min che pen ji sha pa sa shap ka e da kya ki gu ki shap ki pa da pet ma pe ma la pau ta shap yu tu ta tu la tu da dingbo de shap ki pe ma la tu de pa naro po nga sa pong pa ka shap yu ku na kun la sa le kun le sa gata gareta ta naro tola tol mau zata ze tol ze ma pong pa kun le dol ze ma sa gata gareta ta naro tola tol ma tol ma ya shap yu ma yum la pa yata cha ka chak au cha la chal la naru lo tol ma yum la chak chal lo la dang la min che pen ji shap ki pe ma la tu de pong pa kun le dol ze ma tol ma yum la chak chal lo. Okay, so this is the meaning. Hla is God, Dang is an, Hlamin is demigod. Chepin is a crown, Geese is connective particle. Shap is feet for honorific respect. Ki is connective particle. Pema is lotus. La is to. Tu is bow. De is after. So it has so many meaning. But in this text, its meaning is after. De is. There are so many meaning it has, but in this text, The meaning is after. Pongpa is a destitute. So there is a pongpa is so many meaning. Pongpa is literally also, people who out of money, out of food, out of any property. It's like poor, or called a pongpa. So in this case, what that means is like people are suffering and there is no help. I mean, it's like people don't know how to be free from of suffering. Everybody want to be free, but they have no idea how to be free, how to be get rid of suffering. So that is called the destitute in this case. But literally pongpa is like people like poor, out of food, out of clothes, out of nothing. It's nothing, completely out of everything. So it's just poor. But so this case destitute is referring different meaning. People they don't know how to get rid of suffering from samsara. That is the destitute meaning over here. Kun is all, lasa le is from, tol is liberate. This is literally meaning of tol is a liberate, liberate from suffering. Ze is the activity. Ma is mother. So it literally is a tolma, meaning is a mother who do actions that to liberate all the living sentient beings in samsara. So the mother is a green tara is just like mother who has a lot of love and compassion toward the sentient being who wanted to help to liberate free from of suffering in samsara. That is the meaning of tolma. So tolma is Sanskrit here is Tara. Yum is mother. Ma is also mother, but Yum is like a, when you respect of way of saying for mother is a Yum. La is two. Chaktalo is a prostration. Okay, so that's all for today. So right now we are having a learning is like homage to the Green Tara. Yeah, and the other video we are also learning that is homage to the Green Tara, and this also like homage to the Green Tara, with homage or prostration. So next video will come is called is like a 7-line prayer. I mean it's like a 7-line prayer, which is very important when we practice any practice like Guru Rinpoche practice, Green Tara, Charity, whatever we practice. The 7-line prayer is always has to be start before the real practice. So next video will come a 7-line prayer. After the 7-line prayer, then start the Green Tara practice. So that is always has to be. If you want to practice like a Green Tara, always has to be there is a homage, and then it's like a 7-line prayer. A 7-line prayer is only not that much, only the few, and then we will start the Green Tara because it has to become together. Okay, this is a literal meaning of this text. So you can read. Okay, you can see a link below this video. Click on link and download PDF file. Enjoy learning basic Tibetan writing language. Okay, bye.